3-month update. There's one a cat. There's one of the black one. Getting ready to pounce. Yeah, I know. I know. And here's the mom, Hazel, sleeping, resting. I rescued her from underneath the bridge out of St. Mary's, Missouri. And here's the little gray one, 3-month-old. Somebody so cute. Look how big she's gotten. Right, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. So cute. Big now. Big girl now. Yep. You're so cute. Yep. Tell everybody I said hi. Huh? Bye.
Ah! Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Every time you are alone, every time you turn off the light, every time you close your eyes, I will be there. I will be there. You can't beat me. I will comfort you. Look at me. Look at me. Got it.